Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn any PDF into high-quality PNG images on your Mac using I Love PDF, no software installs required. Let's dive in. First, open Safari, or your favorite browser, and navigate to ilovepdf2.com/convertpdf to PNG. I'll leave the link in the description. Once the page loads, click Select PDF Files and choose the document you'd like to convert. You'll see a blue upload bar as your file transfers. Feel free to grab a quick coffee while you wait. When the upload finishes, you'll have three image quality options: normal for standard output, recommended for a balance of file size and clarity, or high for the sharpest, highest resolution PNGs. Pick the setting that fits your needs, then click Convert to PNG. In just a few seconds, your PDF pages will be transformed into individual PNG files. A download button will appear. Click it to save a zip of all your images to your Downloads folder. Open the zip, and you're ready to use your crisp new PNGs anywhere. And that's it. Fast, free, and entirely online. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple Mac tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.